Add your EBT card to Walmart app. If you want to add your EBT card to Walmart app, it's very simple. Go ahead and then launch the Walmart app first on your device. Then once done, tap on the account icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap the account icon from the bottom right, tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen right there. Then go to the option called Wallet. Then from Wallet, you have to simply select Add Card. So here you can see different payment methods that they add. So you can add your card by tapping on Add New Payment Method, and you can add your SNAP or EBT card. You can see because they accept EBT also, you can see the card icon. You can just add it like any other card number, then tap the Save Card button to add your EBT card to Walmart. This way you can add your EBT card to Walmart. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.